Hey guys, so the video you're gonna watch right now was actually filmed last week. I just uploaded it today. So yeah, I just uploaded to set up this specific cameras. So yeah, the video we're gonna watch here is actually before the complication. So let's start.
Zoom.
This is Juliet, the always late.
Zoom.
She is the prettiest girl and the short hair and the curly hair. And this is Angelique. This is Abel, the tennis table tennis boy. And this is Serge. Hi, balik ko ang! This is Stanley.
Sa loob.
He is kind. And this is Adrian. Super kind! And this is Diane, oh my gosh, the model, the artist of the radio. Let me tell you about today! Very bright and the young kid. And this is Andrea, oh my gosh. Sir Ellie announced about the ribbon of her glasses. Oh my gosh. And this is Vanessa. She is a very demure and classic girl. And this is Jose, the one who drew this. This is her masterpiece. And very Latina. And this is Leia, oh my gosh, the COVID-19 era face. And this is Black, just research, science, mathematics, and
Okay. Hi Ken, say to me vlog. Huh?
And this is Diana. I can tell you And this is Alan, the shy type and nonchalant.
Ken, happy ka?
And this is Lucy, the mathematician and the scientist of grade 11 generosity. And this is Noel, the mathematician and reading and writing very good. And this is Sarah, the cutesy patootie. And this is John, don't mind me. And this is Kim, and this is James. James is, and then Crumb. Oh my gosh, Crumb. Oh my gosh, and she's so cute. And it's Mujigo. Oh my gosh, you will love him. Chicken box. And this is CJ, aka Jesus. And Rick, the chicken box, look it out. And then Nino, the highlighter at the mall. And he is afraid of the sunlight of the earth. I don't know what happened. And this is when the puppet. Oh my gosh! Let's proceed to the employee rating of grade 11 generosity, the person, the magna cum laude of the University of SM Philippines, the very good teacher in science, this grade 11 generosity. Let us welcome Sir John Raymond again!
Sir, watch this video, we love you. Naganas na waray honor.
Kaya na sa puro bagsak.
Oo, naganas na waray honor.
Kaya, nagkaroon nga. Naging mo yung ano ba yun?
Guys, isensor ko to sa YouTube ko ipapost.
A memory to remember. Totoo, didilayan sa ID. Ipa-frame ko yun.
Teardrop ini teardrop.
Shoutout kay Dulce Bapuete, siya yung nag-drawing na lahat yan. Kung gusto nyo siya i-follow sa mga drawings niya, ilalagay ko dito yung Facebook account niya para ma-follow. At yung akin, no? Isang book lang, maraming
Adok siya mag-drop kanya drone.
Grabe, oh.
Hotdog, cube! Yes, that's a great or something. Oh, iputang-putang nga da! Dari kay COVID-19 era. Hindi, it's a closeted bullshit masochistic.
Oy, maray ko na yung tinapi si...
Hoy!
Ayaw mo pala! Oy, maray nga si yan!
Hoy, sige! Yan!
Ano kayo ko? Maray nga ni si Sian kasi
Marami mo ako si Sian!
Outro ka!
Tuwis yung reporter natin! Miss Reporter, say to the vlog!
Ano tawag si Papuan? Kanya pa sport.
Dalawa pa!
Badminton.
Dalawa pa! Yan pa! Ayun! Sana all.
I am so sorry to announce that I have neglected the two member of grade 11 to National Secretary. I mean the student. This is Ken. He is a very kind boy and he is...
Buwa na yan! Buwa na yan! Ow, sorry! Buwa na yan!
Boxing. Ay, bawal na yan.
Guys, persuasion! Seryoso nga, nagbabasketball lang. Wala yung dagdag.
Uy, di rin natutuwa si Ken. Like women. Ano sa problema?
YouTube ini.
Oh, jiu-jitsu.
God save!
Jiu-jitsu kan kamaran.
I am straight as a brick.
Okay lang YouTube basta may content.
Come here, my child, come. Take on you, go, come, boy. Come, my Mongo. Longhoy.
Oh pala guys, may announcement pala ako guys. Wala na tayo sa TikTok, nasa Red Note na tayo. Pinalink ko yung account ko sa description para mabuksan yung makita yung mga content ko doon. Pati yung mga vlog.
I'll tell you exactly. Yes, I am straight.
Like legit, that is the first thing they said to me. Not
Hindi na marami sa...
I did not know their names. They just said, you can't lie. You got a lot of
my God, did we delete?
How do you
Grabe ang angas sa Sir John mo eh. Ang angas sa Sir John mo eh. Sigan pa naman. Sigan.
Iyan, ginibo.
Alright guys, sa family natin.
Stop being admit.
Pagkakaroon pa ako ng more post content. Thank you for watching. Magkikita tayo sa isa.
Ano ko yung
Thanks! And the face!